Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V11 is making a strange noise while cleaning, it could be due to a number of factors such as a blockage or a failing motor. If left unchecked, this issue could lead to further damage, potentially resulting in a costly repair or complete failure of the device. It's important to address these symptoms as soon as you notice them to ensure your vacuum continues to perform optimally. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth to prevent scratching the device. Begin by ensuring the Dyson is switched off and unplugged. To open the device safely, locate the two screws at the back of the handle. Carefully remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver, ensuring not to lose them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the handle away from the main body. Be cautious as there may be wires connected, so take your time. Now, let's identify the faulty component. The strange noise is often caused by a malfunctioning motor. To locate it, look for the circular component at the base of the device. If you see any debris or dust, this could be causing the noise. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to the motor. You can do this by gently pulling on the connectors, ensuring not to tug too hard to avoid damaging them. Next, remove the motor by unscrewing the 3 screws that hold it in place. Be mindful of the type of screws used, as they are usually smaller and require a precise touch. With the screws removed, you can lift the motor out. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new motor and place it into the slot where the old one was. Secure it by tightening the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are firmly attached. Once everything is in place, you can reattach the handle to the main body by aligning it correctly and securing it with the screws. Make sure everything is tightened and in position before testing the device. To finish, plug in your Dyson V11 and turn it on to check if the noise has been resolved. If it's running smoothly, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you regularly check for blockages, clean the filters, and keep the device maintained. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.